In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive payments on PayPal. Keeping your PayPal activity feed organized is essential, especially with many transactions. Archiving payments is an excellent way to declutter your main view without permanently deleting important records. It moves older or less relevant transactions out of sight, yet they remain fully accessible should you ever need to review them. This process is straightforward and takes just a few moments. Let's walk through it together to help you manage your PayPal account more effectively. Our first step is to navigate to the Activities section of your PayPal account. Once logged in, look for Activities, typically found in the top navigation bar or on your main dashboard. This section is your central hub for all transactions, covering payments sent, received, invoices, and other financial movements. Clicking Activities will display a detailed list of your recent and past transactions. You'll see a comprehensive overview, often with various filters to help you pinpoint specific items. Starting here is crucial, as this page provides the gateway to managing individual payment records. Once on the Activities page, the next step involves selecting the specific transaction you wish to archive, and then accessing its More Actions menu. Scroll through your transaction list until you find the payment you want. Click directly on that transaction entry to open its detailed view. This action displays all specific information related to that payment, such as the amount, sender or recipient, date, and transaction ID. Within this detailed view, you'll find a button or drop-down menu usually labeled More Actions or similar. It's often prominently displayed, usually near the top or bottom of the transaction details. This More Actions button is your key to accessing additional functionalities for that payment, including the option to archive it. After clicking More Actions, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several options. Among these, you will see Archive Invoice or Archive Transaction. Our final step is to click on this Archive Invoice option. When selected, PayPal will move that specific transaction from your primary activity feed into an archived section. This means it will no longer appear in your default All Activities view, making your main transaction list cleaner and easier to navigate.